video to show how to remove stuck front shocks on a 1997 GMC Safari. I'm going to show you some of the things that I've been through to get these off, things that haven't worked, and what I'm finally concluding that I need to do. So here's the situation. The shocks here are stuck. Maybe you can see the bolt there. Tried using a vice grip on the top here, this piece, and then a 15mm open-ended on the bolt itself underneath, and for the life of me I can't get that to come off. The vice grips, actually you can see the top here is beaten up. It's actually slipping when I try to turn, so it's stuck on there pretty good. And underside, here it is. Those aren't a problem, they come off pretty easy. So the other trick that I tried is putting a screwdriver through the center there, and supposedly the piston would catch at a certain point when you're turning the top, but that didn't seem to work out. So anyway, here's what we're doing. We're going to use the old Dremel cut-off tool here, and what I did was figured that, you know what, when I put it up there, since I don't have a lot of room to work with, I've got to work in that little section there. What I've done is just kind of tried to simulate what would, how this is going to work. So I'm only going to get it at an angle here like this. That's about all the room that I have once I get this tool in there. So anyway, looks like once I get it in there, that wasn't too big of a deal. I used a grinding Dremel thing, and so once I get it about that far, we should be able to just kind of knock it off. You can see it moving a little bit, twisting, and bam, that should be what happens on the shock itself. So we'll give it a try. Okay, and once we have broken down part of that nut, we can add a little persuasion here, and it looks like we can kind of pry it off from here. Okay, so if we look in there, we'll see how far we got. So there we go.